Hi friends, Sharon from Mad Paper Crush here, and I just wanted to go through a new couple of kits that I have in the shop. They are called Perpetual Autumn and Perpetual Autumn Add-on. So they are very similar, but I did one kit as more of a base journal kit, and then the Add-on Kit has more ephemera and different things like that. So I will go through the two different kits right here so you can see all the pages. And you can see kind of the theme that we have going is roses and these pretty little brown birds, apples. There are some pumpkins and different greenery throughout, but that is one page there. And let me just put that over there. And I tried to use some of the colors in the graphics as the backgrounds there. And I love these little, I'm not even sure what they're called, but they're these little blossoms. They're so cute. And I love adding advertisements and things to my background pages. So you can see kind of here lightly are some advertisements along with some of these purple dahlias and more sort of these cotton blooms there. I love that. And then I added in just some vintage images of different invoices and cards and ledger paper and different things like that in the background with some handwriting and some keys that you see there. And there's some of the pumpkins I was talking about. They are very fall-ish. And I thought this one was fun, a catalog page of some fall coats there on these ladies, plus some different boots that you could wear in the fall. And then one of the background pages with just some edge graphics and lots of room in the middle to journal on for journal pages and things like that. Some coffee dyed stains, some tea stains there. And then a couple of pattern pages. So this one might be fun as, you know, a cover or something like that, maybe even a pocket or a tuck spot or something with just the bird on there. And another just pattern page with some of these greeneries on there with some of the colors of autumn in there. And then I like to do some complementary pages that are just kind of plain pages in there. So if you remember the other page, it had some graphics on it. This one is just kind of the plain page there, so you can kind of see some of the layered splatters and different things like that on here. And another plain page. This would also be a really good journaling page there with lots of room to write on that one. And this one just has some book pages in the background with some like gesso look on top there. And here's that advertisement page with no graphics, but you can kind of see more of the advertisements, printers, palace organs. There's a carriages advertisement there. Forks over on this side, silverware. I think that's really cute. And then the last two pages, so those are all the journal pages, and the last two pages are just a couple pieces of ephemera to get you started on your journal. So there are two pockets. You just crease on these lines and fold them in, and then you have a nice sort of gusseted pocket that you can put into your journal. Same with this one. So we have one with a little label on it, one with the birds and the kind of border there with the roses and the cotton blooms there. And then there are some rewards of merit, and these kind of reminded me of things you might get in school, so I thought they would be fun. I added some of the graphics to there as well. And then a lesson page that you might have in a school book. So I put that in there too with some more graphics on it. And then the last page is a library pocket. I love to put library pockets in my journals. And then this is the face that goes on the library pocket. So you would fold these two sides in and then fold this up. And then you would put the face, you know, right on there of your library pocket. Then you'd have a nice, perfect library pocket. And then this is the card that would fit right inside of that library pocket. And then the last thing are a couple of tickets. I like to do tickets in my journal. So here's 4 tickets that you can cut apart and use as ephemera, or even leave them together to make a belly band or something like that. So that is the Perpetual Autumn Kit. And then I also have another kit, and it is called Perpetual Autumn as well, but this is like the add-on kit. So I'm going to hold the page this way because I think it fits better in the frame. But this one has more ephemera. There are a couple of journal pages in this kit, but there's more ephemera type things that you could cut out and use as note cards or journal cards or pockets or tuck spots or anything like that inside of your journal. So you can see here, this one's just got 4 journal cards on it, and I have some art brush catalog page there, a lettering page with some watercolor on there, and then on the bottom another lesson that you saw from the original kit, and a music page with a nice wreath on it, and a little squirrel there, he's cute. And then we have a page here that has a very small envelope. So when you cut this out, you can cut all the corners out and things. And when you fold everything up, you have a little envelope this size. And then this little card on the side here actually fits right inside of that envelope if you wanted to use them together. And then I have an old invoice from 1912 here, the Kelly Stationery Company, that I thought was fun, thinking of fall and going back to school and writing and that kind of thing. And I'm gonna put some pumpkins and some greens on that one as well. And then this one, I found a couple of children's books that had some autumn pages in it, and I thought they were fun, so I added them there. And then I created some plates using the graphics that I had to make sort of some botanical plates there that you could use in your journal. And then here's another envelope. So this one you can see is a little bit bigger than the other one. This is a larger envelope. And then this postcard right on this page fits right into that envelope as well if you wanted to use those two together. And then there's a little druggist sort of pharmacy square on here too with another wreath on there as well. So there's that page. And then I have a couple of 2-inch spots that you could use if you had a 2-inch hole punch. You could cut them out real easily, but you could certainly fussy cut these as well to use them inside your journal. Maybe make some altered paper clips. If you've seen my altered paper clip video, I made some altered paper clips using 2-inch circles like this. I'll link to that video down below if you'd like to see that. And then just some more ephemera there. So another kind of card with some postage stamp on there, and the front of a music book page there, Sweet Kitty Nolan song. And then this page has 3 tags. So I put them all next to each other so that, well, first so that they would fit on the page nicely, but also that you could just, you know, cut them apart and not have to do that many cuts if you don't need to. So there's 3 different tags. So here's one tag here with a dragonfly cover page on that one. And then the middle one is just sort of some of the botanical decorations on there. And then this one has the bird and some torn paper and some old tape on there holding everything together. And you can add your, you know, holes at the top and then add whatever, you know, tag topper you like, whether that's ribbon or cord or just, you know, a flap of fabric or something like that on there. And then the other thing this page has is 5 tabs. So these 5 tabs can be cut apart and folded in half, and they can create, you know, little side tabs or even top tabs if you wanted on your journal. Okay. And then this page, I have 2 corner pockets. So this corner pocket you can, you know, put on the right page if you wanted to. If you crease right here and fold these edges in, it gives you a nice big pocket. And then you have this beautiful decorative lace kind of as your edging. And then the other one, I wanted to fit it on the page, but this one is kind of a left side pocket. Same thing, you just fold these in and then you have some decorative lace there as a trim, and some writing room in that wreath there as well. And then 2 little pieces of ephemera. I thought these gentlemen in their fall coats were very dapper, so I wanted to include them in the kit. And then over here is a mini file folder. So it's kind of hard to tell on this page, but when you look at it, when you print it out, it actually dips in here. So when you cut this all out, you can fold right in the center, and then you have a little file folder, like a mini file folder there. And then the pumpkins are on one side and the apples are on another side there. So that's that page. And then the rest of them, which I have, like I said, I had a couple of just plain journal pages. So you can see these also match the kit from the other, the other Perpetual Autumn kit, the main kit. So these are just some more pages that are similar to those, if I'm making any sense as I'm talking here. And then this one, I wanted 2 big wreaths on there, and I put some wording in there, Enjoy Fall and the Best of the Season. I thought those were kind of fun to have, and they would make a nice journal page either that way or this way. Even, you know, they could be, that could be a cover for sure as well. And then the last page is just another patterned page with some of those botanicals just in sort of a repeating pattern throughout the paper there. So those are the 2 kits. So we have Perpetual Autumn and the Perpetual Autumn add-on. And thank you so much for watching. If you would like to take a look at these kits over in my shop, I will put a link down below, and I'll even put a link up in this upper right-hand corner for you to head over to my Etsy shop and take a look at these kits for me. Thank you so much, friends. I do appreciate your support. I love that you come back every day and watch videos with me. I hope to have some more videos out very soon, and I will see you in the next video, friends. Take care. Bye-bye.